I'm David Hart. I'm the founder and CEO of Ram Air International. I also sit on the board of directors of the Restoration Industry Association as the Ozone Counselor, where I help write the guidelines on how ozone is used in the disaster and forensic restoration industries. Last week I got a phone call from ServiceMaster. They called me and said they have an ozone generator that wasn't working, and they asked me if I'd take a peek at it, and I said,
Absolutely.
bring it on over. So they wheeled it on up. And I immediately recognized it. This is from a company called Ozone. They're out of Israel. And for many, many years, I've seen this in the field. It's always been considered the most powerful portable ozone generator in the industry. If you had a job that needed to be done very quickly, or if it was a really big job, or say it was very severe, and you needed a powerful, high output machine, this was the guy that you brought in. Puts out 12 grams an hour. Price tag is just under $4,000. Weighs 88 pounds, so it's pretty big and heavy, but that output was it's high, 12 grams an hour, and it was the bad boy. That bad boy torch has since been passed. There's been an ozone generator designed that puts out more ozone, puts out 30% more ozone at 16 grams an hour. So let's take a look at that guy. This is the Ozone 16G, called the 16G because it puts out 16 grams of ozone per hour. The price tag is $17.95, so it's a little less than half of the Ozone. The weight is 10 pounds, and as you can see, it's about the size of a loaf of bread. So this is now the bad boy. This is the one you bring out when you really need to get the job done. If you have any questions about it or ozone use in general, please don't hesitate to give me a call. I'm at 888-272-6247. That's 888-2-RAM-AIR. And also don't forget to check us out on the web. We're at ramair.co. Love to hear from you.